Hey guys, and welcome to today's vlog. As you guys can tell, I took my Christmas decorations down, so the house looks super bare. It's still super messy. We have to tidy up a bunch of stuff and do like a deep clean, but we have mostly everything put away right now. Although we did leave up this Christmas tree without any of the decorations on it. I'm thinking I might want to do a Valentine's Day tree just to kind of phase out of Christmas because I'm so sad that all the decorations are gone. So we're gonna check Michael's to see what they have for Valentine's Day decor. It's so sad here without any Christmas stuff. I realized yesterday when I was going to go vlog that I just felt sad in every area. I was like, there's nothing cute in the background. There's no Christmas lights. So I definitely want to try to put something together just so that I can keep some twinkly lights up a little bit longer. I wish I could do different garlands for different seasons, especially with our house. I feel like it often looks dark in the background. So I like having that extra light source, even if it is just like twinkly lights. I'm gonna get myself set up and tell you guys a little bit more about what I was kind of keeping from you during the holiday season, just because it wasn't something I was ready to talk about. And I mentioned it a few times during Vlogmas that I had some health problems and stuff going on. I felt like I was manifesting bad things if I brought it up. So I didn't really talk about any of it. I'm just gonna sit myself up here. Maybe I'm gonna turn the fireplace on. It's a little bit chilly in here. When I did my coming back to YouTube video and where I've been, I talked about how I've been having health problems, and I didn't really get into too much detail because I was honestly really scared. The things that I was getting tested for are scary, and I didn't want to talk about them because I felt like I was almost manifesting these negative things to happen. So for the last year, I've been having nervous system related symptoms. Some of the symptoms I had were like really bad tinnitus, and then also something that was kind of like tinnitus where your ears are ringing, but it felt like it was more in my head. I still have it, almost like this high pitched frequency, the sensation of something really sharp in your head but without sound. So you know, like in movies and stuff, when there's like an alien attack or some type of high frequency sound going off and everyone's holding their ears, that is like the sensation, but there's no sound. So I don't really know how to explain it. I've also been having fasciculations, which is basically like a small muscle group twitching constantly. And then I started having something else. I can't remember what it's called. Oh, myoclonic jerks. Basically, my body would start twitching. Like my finger would just all of a sudden go like this, or my foot would go like that, or like my toes would start spasming. I also have an issue with my eye that I've gone to the optometrist about a couple times, and I just have like a bunch of other stuff, a ton of different nervous system related symptoms. So when I went into the doctor in October, he kind of seemed concerned right off the bat, and he said, okay, well, we're gonna schedule you for an MRI to see like what's causing this. And I was like, an MRI? Like, why would I need to get an MRI? He basically said, well, we're gonna test you for MS and tumors. I have MS in my family. It's pretty strong on my dad's side of the family, and it's really sad because I have an uncle who had MS so badly that he actually took his own life. So when the doctor was concerned that my symptoms seemed MSE, I started kind of freaking out because like I said, I know I have family members who have it and have it really severe. So that was what I was going in for my MRI for, but I got my MRI results back and everything was clear, which was, honestly, you guys have no idea the amount of relief I had with that. I still have all the symptoms, but whenever I have any of that stuff, I am not concerned anymore. I really do appreciate having had the MRI done though, because it really just gives you peace of mind, especially when you have a bunch of things going on all at once. So anyways, that is my little update for my healthcare stuff. All right, now I'm going to get some work done. All right, here's a weird perspective. Kind of have to work with what I've got right now because all of the extra Christmas decor added so much additional light. The house looks so dark now. I think maybe also because I'm filming in like different perspectives to try to get some light. But whenever I would film before, there was so much like garland, and the stairs would be lit up and the fireplace would be lit up and stuff. So those areas of the house always looked a little bit more bright, but now everything looks so dark. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. But I thought I would show you guys. You guys remember during Vlogmas, Sebastian and I do something called Nikolaustag, which is something they celebrate in Germany. It's the 6th of December. So we always buy each other a gift during that time. And this year we both bought each other onesies, but the onesie he got me was the one that he wanted, and the one that I got him was the one that I would have wanted. He loves his, but the one that he got me was just like way too hot, way too thick and fluffy. So I actually exchanged it and I ordered a different one. I will insert a picture to show you guys what it looks like. We just went to get our Starbucks, and it's funny, we're still getting our chestnut praline lattes, the Christmas drinks. We found this one Starbucks that is not very popular. They have all the stuff left to make the Christmas drinks, which is amazing because we go there and we get all of our like extra toppings and stuff, and they hook it up. I'm gonna be so sad when they run out because I've gotten so addicted to them. And it's funny because these are probably like 500 calorie drinks. I think the drink I usually get is like 60 calories. So going from this to my usual drink, which is not sweetened, I mean it's sweetened but like sugar-free sweetener, no whip, none of the fancy stuff, it's gonna be difficult. So this is the onesie that I got from One Piece, and this is very unlike any of the other onesies we have from there. It's, I want to say jersey fabric or like t-shirt fabric. It's very, very thin. But the reason I got one of the thinner ones is because I would like to be able to wear it through like some of the warmer months, like maybe spring or fall when it's not super cold. And this one's actually much more fitted, I think, than the other ones. So it looks like this. And the unusual thing about these One Piece onesies is they zip all the way up. I still have to figure out what I'm gonna make for dinner. I've been trying to aim for doing 2 new recipes a week. That was one of my goals for the new year. So I'm gonna look and see what I can find. Maybe I'm gonna look something up online or in one of my cookbooks and then try to get some inspiration and then maybe modify it. I'm not sure yet. So we're gonna make some dinner now. I've been spending a lot more time on TikTok lately, and honestly there are so many trendy food things that go viral on there. So we're gonna do another TikTok inspired dinner for tonight. We're gonna do the Crunchwrap Supreme. You guys have probably already seen this everywhere online. Everyone's doing their own version of it, so we're gonna try it out. We're not gonna do the fried little tortillas, the tostadas. We're going to use some Dorito type chips instead. These ones are not Doritos, but they're basically the same thing. These are actually my favorite type of, I guess, corn chips. I don't even know what you'd call these. These are the Arriba Zesty Taco flavor, and I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have a couple right now. They're so good. They're from Old Dutch. If you've never tried them, give them a try. They're so good. We're gonna make ours with chicken. I know that you can make it from scratch, but one of my absolute favorite things is the fajita mix from Old El Paso. I don't know what it is about this. There might be like a little bit of sugar or something in there that makes it extra good. What else do we have? Oh, I'm gonna make some type of sauce. I'm probably very much in the minority, but I really don't like that nacho cheese sauce unless I'm like at the movie theater and I'm having nachos with the dip there. So instead of the nacho cheese sauce, we're going to make like a chipotle ranch kind of sauce. So I have some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. I'm gonna use a little bit of that. We're going to add in a little bit of this country herb. It's basically like a ranch powder, and I'm just gonna kind of season and taste, and then add some limes. Maybe like half a lime, and then maybe, I don't know, maybe some sour cream. I'm not sure yet. I'm probably just gonna like taste and see how I feel about it. And we also have some guacamole, which I know is not something that you normally get in a crunch wrap, but I love guacamole, so I'm gonna add it. We have some sour cream, lettuce. We're gonna add some Monterey Jack, and we'll see how it goes.
Looks good. I love it.
It's really good.
I love the crunch from the tortillas.
But I'm like not hungry at all because I ate like half a bag of the chips while I was making everything. The tortillas are so good. Can I try yours and you try mine?
What's the difference?
Yours has the sauce without the ranch. Yours has the Cool Ranch Doritos, and mine's got the other ones.
So good.
I added a few more chips to yours than I did to mine.
The only thing I would change is like, if I would make it again, I would make it a little bit spicier.
I made chipotle mayo. It's so spicy.
I think it needs more
This
adobo.
one's really spicy.
Oh really? Give me that one back.
That's yours. Mine is a little bit less spicy, I feel like. This
Okay.
was really fun though.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna eat this and watch Superstore. Hey guys, so it's the next day and apparently this is my new position for filming. So I'm just waiting for some work, but before that, Sebastian and I are gonna go grab our Starbucks. I'm really excited because it's like my one time of the day that I look forward to, just because we don't leave the house very often. So another thing I was going to ask you guys is what kind of content would you like to see for upcoming vlogs, upcoming videos? I really struggle with the post-Christmas period because I feel like my content just gets significantly more boring and I don't know what to film, especially this year because everyone's like stuck inside. Apart from the obvious with like making dinners and stuff like that, my goal for this year is to continue vlogging throughout the entire year. So I just need to make sure I have content that you guys want to like watch. So if you guys could let me know in the comments, that'd be super helpful. So we're finally at Starbucks. We just spent the last 45 minutes in traffic trying to get here, which is crazy because the place that we are, all these like vans driving by are filming something. This is like right next to a film studio. But anyway, it took us 45 minutes to get here and it normally takes us like 5 minutes to get to the Starbucks. But yeah, I wonder what they're filming. I feel like it might be Riverdale. They do a lot of filming in the area that we live in. A lot of like stuff, especially Netflix shows get filmed here. But I've never seen any of the stars and I was like hoping that I might be able to like sneak a peek of someone who's actually filming here. Sebastian has seen a couple people like over the years, but I've never seen anyone. Woohoo! I hope there's lots of topping considering it took us 45 minutes to get here.
There we go. Wow.
Ooh, that's so good.
I know, it's definitely mine.
My soul. All right, so it is dinner time. Well, it's actually not. It's only like 5:50, so it's pretty early. I'm gonna make something pretty quick. I've been really into all the TikTok food trends lately, so I'm gonna try to do another one of the wrap things that I showed you guys in the last vlog, where you kind of like fold a tortilla into little quadrants and then kind of stack it and make almost like a panini quesadilla type thing. But I'm going to make it with something that I usually make for like a normal panini. For the wrap, I'm going to use some rotisserie chicken. This is just from Walmart. These are great for making like quick meals with. We love them. So I'm going to take some chicken. I'm going to use some spinach. I'm going to use some sun-dried tomatoes. I'm just going to chop this up. A little bit of pressed garlic. And then I have this pesto mix that I made with mayonnaise and a little bit of salt. It's really good. This is also really good on like pasta salad. And the pesto that I use is this one here, the Olivieri. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this shredded Parmesan cheese that we also get at Walmart. I love this because it's super stretchy. And then finally, we're gonna use some grated Gruyere. And we're just gonna get started. So in this corner I have the pesto mayo with the chicken on top. Here I have some Gruyere, I have some spinach, and then here I have some Parmesan shreds with some sun-dried tomatoes mixed with some garlic. And I'm gonna give this a little season with some salt and some black pepper.
So good.
I like it way better than with the bread. Oh my god, it's so good. Why did it taste way better than with normal bread?
I'm not sure,
It's so weird.
but I really love it.
So good. We're going to watch Superstore. Did we say last time that we were watching Superstore and how much we love it? If I didn't mention already, Superstore is such a good show on Netflix. If you haven't seen it, give it a shot. The first few episodes, it took me a while to get into it, honestly, because it's a completely different type of humor than what I'm used to. It's more like The Office kind of humor. I would say it's a little bit more, I don't know, it's not like jokey, like how Friends is
more
jokey.
Like The Office, yeah.
It's just more like the characters themselves are so funny, but please give it a shot. Watch a couple episodes. And if you are already watching it, let me know what you think of it in the comments, because I'm curious if anyone else is watching it right now. Hey guys, so it is a couple days later. I'm actually filming this clip the same day the vlog is going up. I'm just coming on to end the vlog, but I wanted to say that I'm sorry the content has been a little bit more sporadic ever since New Year's. I will be trying to ramp up and post more frequently, but just catching up with everything after the new year has been taking a little bit more of my time. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little bit on the short side. I did have some footage of me going to Michael's to look for some stuff to decorate a Valentine's Day tree, but I couldn't find anything, so I just scrapped the footage and took it out of the vlog. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the tree now. I might just leave it up a little bit longer than put it away, unless I can figure out something to do for like spring. I don't know. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see for upcoming vlogs so that I have some ideas for some content. I don't want things to get redundant or monotonous for you guys. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the vlog, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.